Hey everybody, welcome back to Walton Technology. Got another quick unboxing for you today. We got the Clicks keyboard here for the iPhone 16 Pro. Just got it in the mail today, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick unboxing and then post a review after this. So let's open it up here. Ah, nice. Little cover up to keep it safe and clean. Sticking with the Apple style boxing here. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, nice. And I did check this out beforehand, but it does work with the MagSafe adapter, so you can charge it on the go still. And then, of course, you know, USB-C insert, so you can insert your phone straight in. This just, it flexes a little bit, so you can slide your phone down into there. Let's see what else we got here. Quick start guide. Looks like we got in detail how to set it up. They want you to download the app, slide your phone in just like I said. And then it does look like it has some basics for the keyboard. Microphone, accessing symbols. And then there's a few shortcuts you can learn. And also, if you want to take your iPhone out, that's how you do it. And then it does also come with a app so you can register your product. So the insertion pamphlet too, which I kind of already went over how to do for you guys. So that was a quick unboxing, and stay tuned, and we'll have a review come up soon for the Clicks keyboard. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.